Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add notes in your Pinterest board. So this, I'm already opening the Pinterest apps and I'm going to go to my board. So click on the person icon at the bottom right, and then here is my board. I'm going to add notes into this board right here, this quotes board. So if you want to add notes, just click on to-dos right here, and here is where you can plan with to-do notes. So to-dos are your box workspace, so you can add a list or anything. So if you want to add notes, just click on add your first to-do, and here you can add title, for example to-do list, and you can add the notes in here. For example, upload the quotes to other platform, for example, and after that just click on done, and here the notes has been added to your board. Okay guys, so that is how you can add notes in your Pinterest board. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye.